If you're married to an American citizen for 13 years, how long does it take for the paperwork to get done? Well, the amount of time that it takes anyone to get a green card in their case is going to depend on a few different things. Number one, what is your manner of entry into the United States? A lot of people will come in with a visa, and if you are married to a citizen and you came into the US with some sort of visa, even if it was 10 years ago, 20 years ago, for the most part, your immigration case through your spouse might take about a year. But if you have the wrong type of visa, or you did not come in with a visa at all, meaning you came in unlawfully, then even if you're married to a US citizen, you may not be able to fix your status for years. And that is because immigration will heavily punish people who do not have a legal entry, and they place certain restrictions on other visa types. So what is the solution for that? Well, we need to look for other ways rather than just a straightforward one-step marriage green card case. In our office, we like to see if you qualify for several different types of humanitarian cases. The most common that we do is going to be something called a VAWA, self-petition, and that is going to be for those of you who your spouse might be not treating you well. And if your spouse is a US citizen or a green card holder and would treat you this way, then it would still take a little bit of time, but you would not need to leave the US to do your green card application, because you would be eligible to do a VAWA self-petition here in the US. Number two, if you don't have that available to you, then we can look at something called a T visa. And the T visa is going to be an application where we base it upon any time you have had a situation of human trafficking in your life. So what is human trafficking? It is essentially when somebody gets you to work or provide a service under some sort of threat, under some sort of fear. And if those don't work, then we could always do something called a waiver, where you need to leave the US and come back. So unless you have the right type of visa entry into the United States and you're married to a United States citizen, you can expect that your case will take several years. But the bottom line is that it may always be a way, okay?